Okay, we're going full jank here. I need to discharge these batteries and I don't have time to put them on my discharger. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this parallel charging board with the batteries connected. I'm gonna put it on my drone and just fly it for a bit, see what happens. Right, this construction won't win a beauty contest, but it's not about beauty, it's about speed. It's about discharging these batteries, so let's go. Not too bad. It still sort of works. A little bit of shakiness, but it's fine. It works. Whoa! Right, to be fair, this is a quad with DJI NAZA-M V2, I believe. NAZA-M V2, something like that. So it's not the most stable thing in the world, but it's the only thing I have that can lift a balancing board with batteries. To be fair, it seems to fly more stable than with a top-mounted battery, just because it has the weight dangling on the lower side. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm loving it. Okay, I think their storage charged enough. I'm just gonna put it down. I gotta go anyway. Thanks for watching. Bye!